Outdoor summer camping gear and gadgets serve as indispensable components for a rewarding and delightful camping adventure. These meticulously crafted tools and equipment are tailored to elevate safety, comfort, and convenience during your exploration of the vast wilderness. In this video, we'll introduce you to the 5 finest summer camping gear and gadgets that are guaranteed to leave you in awe. First and foremost, for your primary outdoor shelter and relaxation spot, we introduce the Aeri canopy. This canopy stands out as one of the premier options available on the market for your outdoor camping expedition. It is incredibly user-friendly and can be effortlessly set up by a single individual, making it ideal for solo adventurers. The accompanying rechargeable air pump guarantees swift and hassle-free inflation, sparing you from the manual effort. With its UPF 50+ rating, the Aeri canopy offers outstanding protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays, rendering it a crucial addition for those sunny days. Notably, its aerodynamic configuration not only enhances its visual allure but also bolsters its stability in windy conditions. Despite its remarkable features, it weighs a mere 17 pounds and boasts a compact design that facilitates easy portability. Additionally, it includes a zipline feature for an extra touch of excitement and adventure. The Aeri canopy not only excels in practicality but also in spaciousness, providing ample room for relaxation with your friends or family. You can further personalize your experience by selecting from 3 stylish colors: blue, orange, and gray, allowing you to match your personal style. Furthermore, let's explore the Haven Safari Hammock, which offers an equally delightful pathway to elevated outdoor comfort and relaxation. This innovative hammock represents a game-changing addition, thanks to its flat, open sleeping platform. It's perfectly suited for stargazing or catching a quick nap amidst the beauty of nature. To enhance your sleeping experience, it comes complete with a lounge strap. Constructed from robust 300 deep polyester canvas and boasting 4,000 mm waterproofing, the Haven Safari Hammock is built to endure the elements, assuring its companionship on numerous adventures to come. But its appeal doesn't end there. It's brimming with practical features, such as 6 spacious pockets with built-in organizers for added storage, keeping your essentials conveniently within arm's reach. With a choice of 4 stylish colors: sand, southwest, canopy camo, and canopy, you can select the one that perfectly aligns with your outdoor aesthetic. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, hiking adventure, or simply seeking a tranquil respite in your backyard, this hammock promises unparalleled comfort regardless of the scenario. Meet the ultimate companion for your outdoor culinary adventures, the Barbemany. This rugged, foldable, and portable camping grill is a true game-changer. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just a mere 5 minutes to assemble properly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: savoring delicious grilled meals in the great outdoors. With its generously sized 400 by 200 mm grill net, the Barbemany provides ample space to cook for up to 4 people simultaneously, making it perfect for group gatherings. Despite its impressive dimensions, it remains exceptionally portable, measuring only 2.3 centimeters thick and weighing a mere 6.17 pounds. However, what truly sets the Barbemany apart is its remarkable versatility. It can be employed with any type of fuel, whether it's coal, wood chips, pellets, or sticks, granting you the freedom to choose your preferred cooking method. The Barbemany camping grill seamlessly blends durability, ease of use, and versatility, making it an indispensable addition to any outdoor excursion. Next up, we introduce the VO Inflatable Lounger Air Sofa Chair, a must-have for all adventure enthusiasts. This portable and waterproof couch is tailor-made for activities like hiking, picnics, and all your outdoor escapades. Setting it up is a breeze, no pump is required. Simply trap the air inside and close the sleeve opening, and you're ready to go. What sets this lounger apart is its distinctive pillow-shaped design, providing additional comfort and support for your head and neck. It remains inflated for an impressive 5 to 6 hours, ensuring you can luxuriate in hours of relaxation. The VO Inflatable Lounger comes complete with a carry bag for effortless transportation, stakes to secure it in place on windy days, and even a bottle opener, a thoughtful addition for outdoor enthusiasts. Without a doubt, the VO Inflatable Lounger adds a touch of luxury to your outdoor experiences. Prepare to elevate your camping experience with the Flextail Evo Icer, your ultimate partner for crafting ice on the move. Whether it's a revitalizing drink or a chilled concoction you desire, this innovative camping gadget stands by your side. Compact and lightweight, it embodies a personal ice conjurer right in your trunk. However, don't be deceived by its size, as its battery is as rugged as can be, ensuring a continuous supply of icy delight throughout the day. With an enhanced freezing prowess, it swiftly produces a batch of 12 ice cubes in a mere 5 minutes. Bid farewell to idle finger drumming while waiting. Need ice for the entire crew? No worries. This Icer presents a spacious storage basket that accommodates up to 16 cups of ice, a perfect solution for keeping the whole squad cool. And now, the piece de resistance, 3 distinct ice-making modes that grant you the power to choose according to your preference: cups, quick, or eco. Cleaning is a breeze with just a single tap, requiring no fuss or scrubbing. This affords you more time to relish the splendid offerings of the great outdoors without any unnecessary hassle. And this concludes our list of the 5 best summer camping accessories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.